See how we doing it. My nigga Tyreek. This nigga Zooty.
Yeah. Hey, 2018 is my year. Taking control, I'ma steer. If you bringing hate to my ear, you finna get left in the rear. I'm coming up, who I started with. Really hating what she started shit. Give it a year, bitch, I'm calling it. If in the rich, she calling quits. Ooh, goddamn, hey, really, I feel like the man.
Look, man, you know how I'm clearing this T-Mac taught her. Check the dab. I don't care. Air Force One's on the stand. I don't give a fuck. We get some more. Hold on, look. Niggas, we smoked the big ones too.
Yep. Niggas, come on now.
But when I come back to the business,
God bless. I don't want to go all the way down.
But on the other hand,
And that sunset is beautiful. It's amazing.
be back on here, man. Fuck it. I'll talk some more shit. Fuck it. What's this? What is this? Your vlog?
It's a video, nigga. But
Anyway, look, it's a video. You gonna post this on Twitter? Hey, this gonna get some clout. Look, bro, my nigga Lil J is hard in this rap shit, bro. Look, get my nigga shit on Apple Music. I'm not playing with y'all, bro. Nigga, I'm not playing. That shit go crazy, bro. Oh yeah, look. Matter of fact, follow me on Twitter on the Bird, nigga on the Bird. Follow me T Maney with the underscore on the front. Stop playing. Follow me on Gram T Mac the Camper with the underscore on the back. Nigga, stop playing with me. Nigga, get on me. Look, come on. I'm dabbing in the sand with him. I don't care. I got some more champion shit. Calvin Klein, no shirt.
Always
nigga.
got more.
I don't give a fuck. When it's cold outside, I got on no tee. Shout out Keith. You know how I'm bumming low, bro? You know how I'm bumming low, bro?
That's Mac.
I got two of them.
I'm gonna edit it later. It's gonna be whatever it is.
You feel me? Back to hella.
He said, y'all gotta get out of my shot.
This nigga.
Had to hit the temptation slide on it, trying to take my shine. You see these diamonds dancing. Nigga, you know what the fuck going on.
Adrian.
You feel me? Big things. Big things.
Tell me your social so they can get you.
Big things. AK Productions.
Yeah, AK Productions, y'all know this. We out here.
What's this for?
It's gonna be whatever it is. It's gonna be a vlog something.
You on that vlog? Lil J on the vlogs now.
I'm supposed to vlog tonight when I get home from the radio interview.
For real?
Yeah, I can show it to you right now after this.
You know my name Big Chris, you know. Lil J's daddy, you know what I mean?
You know what's happening, nigga. Ty Smooth out this motherfucker. You dig? Out here beach day.
Yeah, the beach day.
Real fly on it.
Yeah. Boy Kyle. Hey Kyle.
You see what the fuck is on my body?
Ooh. I ain't seen my guy in a minute.
OG Chris, nigga, you feel me?
My nigga A-Ball.